LiteSpeed Web Server is easy to use and offers superior performance for your project or business. It can be used as a drop-in replacement for an existing Apache web server, and it can handle thousands of concurrent connections with a small memory footprint. This means significant savings on hardware and infrastructure as you grow and expand your operations. LiteSpeed Web Server ships with WebAdmin Console, a centralized control panel that allows you to manage and configure all web server settings. This tutorial will help you to keep your WebAdmin Console secure. The first thing we recommend is to verify that your administrator email is configured correctly. This email address is used to keep you informed about important events such as failed login attempts to WebAdmin Console, LiteSpeed Web Server crash detection, or when your license is due to expire. You may have multiple email addresses for all of your web server administrators. To add more email addresses in WebAdmin Console, click Configuration, Server, General. Scroll down to the General Settings section and type in the email addresses you wish to add in a comma-delimited list on the administrator email field. For example, type in your name at yourdomain.com, type in your second administrator email, your name2 at yourdomain.com, your name3 at yourdomain.com, and so on. Click Save and click on Graceful Restart to apply your changes. The next step is to add an IP address to restrict which IP addresses can access the LiteSpeed WebAdmin Console. This ensures that attackers can never reach your server login page in the first place. If you have a fixed IP address, you can add it directly. If you don't have a fixed IP address, we recommend that you set up VPN access with a fixed IP. Then you can add that fixed IP to the allow list. To add your fixed IP to the WebAdmin Console, click General Security, click the Edit link on the Access Control section, and set the denied list to all. In the allowed list field, type in the IP addresses allowed to access the WebAdmin Console. Click Save to apply your changes. LiteSpeed WebAdmin Console will display a message notifying you that the configuration has been modified. Click on Graceful Restart to ensure that the changes take effect. To test if the configuration is working as expected, I will now connect to a different network with a different public IP address that is not configured in the allowed list. This will simulate an attacker trying to access the WebAdmin Console. Once you attempt to access the WebAdmin Console, you should see a 403 forbidden error message. The next security measure that we recommend is to change the listener port to a custom value. To do this in the WebAdmin, click Web Console, Listeners, Action. Click View Edit. Click Edit and set the port to a custom port number between 0 and 65,535. Click Save when you're finished. Please note that you may need to adjust your firewall settings to allow the new port. We highly recommend that you set a strong password for the WebAdmin Console. You can use a password generator such as Avast to create a secure password. We recommend a password that is at least 8 characters long, contains mixed capitalization, numbers, and special characters. To use Avast to generate such a password, open a new browser window and go to avast.com/random password generator. Set a password length and select the ABC, small caps ABC, 123, and special characters checkboxes. A password will be automatically generated for you. Click the copy button to add the password to your clipboard and then paste it into the appropriate area on the WebAdmin Console. If multiple admins need access to this server, we recommend that you set up an account for each admin and do not share passwords. To update your password, click Console, General Security. On the WebAdmin Users section, find the Action field and click Edit. Type in your old WebAdmin Console password and paste in the new password into the new password and retype password fields. Click the Save link to apply changes. Our final recommendation is to obtain an SSL certificate from a certificate authority or CA, instead of using the default self-signed certificate on the WebAdmin Console listener. This will ensure that you always access the console using a secure HTTPS connection verified by an actual SSL certificate authority. I have downloaded the SSL certificate files to my computer, and I'll now upload them to the LiteSpeed Web Server using FileZilla FTP client. In FileZilla, click on File, Site Manager, and click Connect. Open the Downloads folder and drag the SSL certificate files over to any desired directory on the LiteSpeed Web Server. The files that need to be copied are private.key, certificate.crt, and ca_bundle.crt. Once the file upload process is complete, I'll now copy the files to the user local LSWS admin conf set directory. Change the owner of the files to lsadmin by running the command chown, specify the R option, and then type in lsadmin, and then specify the path to the certificate files. Return to LiteSpeed WebAdmin and click Web Console, Listeners, View Edit. On the General tab, click Edit and set Secure to Yes. Click on the SSL tab and click Edit. Type in the path to the private.key file in the private key field and the certificate.crt file in the certificate field and set Change Certificate to Yes. Type in the path to ca_bundle.crt in ca certificate path and ca certificate file and click Save to apply changes. Click Graceful Restart, and when the page refreshes, click on Home. You should now see that the connection is no longer marked as not secure in the browser address field, and you should see a lock icon indicating that the connection is now secure. And that's it. You have successfully secured LiteSpeed WebAdmin Console. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please also share this video with your peers, colleagues, and friends. For more technical documentation about LiteSpeed Web Server, please visit our documentation site at docs.lightspeedtech.com. I hope this tutorial has been informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.